Hi, I'm Edward Hudgens with the Human Achievement Alliance. Now, every day should be a day of achievement for you, but we want to invite you to mark October 21st, the anniversary of Thomas Edison perfecting the light bulb, as Human Achievement Day. Now, in the United States, we have a Veterans Day, we have a Memorial Day, we have a Labor Day, we even have an Earth Day. Other countries have their own special days as well. We urge you to mark October 21st as Human Achievement Day. Now, I'm going to give you 4 reasons why and 4 ways how. Concerning the reasons, first, we need to raise consciousness about the incredible world in which we live and the promise of almost unimaginable wealth, prosperity, long and healthy lives for all that exponential technology can unleash. Now, in the U.S., nearly every family and individual has access to all the world's knowledge today through personal computers and through smartphones. And medical researchers literally right now are working on ways to turn off Alzheimer's in the brain and even to turn off aging. Let's raise consciousness about the world of promise that we can unleash in the future. Second, we need to focus on the foundations and origins of achievements, that is, our minds and our creative entrepreneurial capacities to innovate, and of course the liberty to do so. Third, we need to restore and reinforce in our culture the necessary foundations to unleash achievements. That is, we need to replace the pessimism, nihilism, anger, malevolence, and despair with beautiful optimism, purpose, joy and achievement, benevolence, and hope. Fourth, we need to lay the foundations for free market changes needed to unleash our incredible future. To replace, for example, the dysfunctional schooling system with a system that educates for careers and for lifelong learning in a future economy. To replace the current sick care system with an actual healthcare system that prevents us from getting ill in the first place. And to empower millions of individuals in impoverished communities, ways to work their way to prosperity. Now, how do we celebrate? First, post Happy Human Achievement Day on your social media, and perhaps even create a frame for your portrait so you can celebrate that way as well. And a PNG version will be offered on the Human Achievement Alliance website. Second, post about the achievements of which you are most proud or to which you inspire, or post a link to something that inspires you and invite others to do so as well. Third, talk to and communicate with family members, friends, neighbors, and coworkers about Human Achievement Day and about the meaning of this day. And fourth, visit the Human Achievement Day page on the Human Achievement Alliance website for more information about this enterprise and how you, in the words of Steve Jobs, can make a dent in the universe. So please join us in celebrating Human Achievement Day. Let's change the culture and let's create a prosperous future for all. Thank you very much.